welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I go talk about Roll Dawg again. The bad mind turn up. Me saying get to a new beamer. She must write away video for make. That's unacceptable because how into a beamer me nah done. Bad mind turn up. Iniquity turn up. More drop the video upon Roll Dawg as a follow up because after me see Roll Dawg preaching and praying, quoting scriptures, God this, God that, like any real Irish Saxon, you give them time, vile again. That's how we ask the question, which God? After all, we reach Roll Dawg, still not learn. And the Irish Saxon them on social media, Twitter and all them place there. You see, you might say to yourself, but look at YouTuber, enough man up on TikTok I say this and I say that. That's true. But the reason why my shit made harder with Roll Dawg is because I think Roll Dawg is actually talented. I think most of your favorite vlogger them, especially on TikTok, low IQ dopey bots, if we're going to be honest. If Mr. Chin never have a platform like that, then they would fade away into nothingness. Now for your favorite YouTube blogger them, TikTok blogger them, if it wasn't for a platform where any dopey bot can literally start one account and just start talk, and then start, Tatan was this, they would fade into nothingness. They don't have any real talent. That's why I would start my YouTube. Go back and watch the very first video I ever make. Same way I go on then, the same way I go on now. Because if this whole YouTube thing or vlogger thing was to go away, and we have to go back to the old days, the analog days, see, some people have value in the real world. You see, social media is not the real world now. TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You see, on social media, you don't need any practical real world skills. You just need to make people think, yeah, this is something worth tuning into, all for foolishness. But some people have value in the real world. Without social media, they would still have enormous value. And I think Roll Dawg is somebody who, if he wasn't an impulsive LIQ, the sky is the limit. The guy is hilarious. I don't think you can teach somebody to be a Roll Dawg. Vile Irish Saxon, but you can't. I don't think you can teach somebody to be a Roll Dawg. I think people like Roll Dawg just born that way there. I just think they're naturally cut out from some kind of, in his, when it comes down to him, comedic cloth where him just stay that way there. Some man just make for DJ. They don't have no other use to society. They don't have no sense. Right? Low IQ, low EQ, but when you put a microphone in front of them, it's showtime. So, when you talk about Roll Dawg and other people do it too. Yeah, but other people not have Roll Dawg talent. Roll Dawg is wasting his talent online at Chuck badness. And me think so after Roll Dawg nearly dead, and Mr. Roll Dawg gone upon him preaching and praying, he may not learn, but he may not learn. Check this out.
From blood clot jail, Willie call me. Dawg, you know stop calling up my name. Go suck your dead mother. I say, Willie, go suck back your mother too. If you did that, I send man come kill you. Me I tell you, that the batty boy they ungrateful. Pussy. Tell the people them say me help you get your car. And me pick me a tech bus go school. Me pick me a tech bus go school and when I repo your car. Cause that's what you do, you know. You come around me. You come around me with soft face. Same like butter. Me help you get your hardy butter, you make man shoot me. Me help you butter get in hardy apartment and you make man shoot me. You bring man for shoot me. You not shooting like you're a pussy butter. You're a little crybaby. We know that. So you're going like you're bad. You're not a bad. Go and suck your mother. And you know my address. Stop giving it to enemy. And come over here.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
No. Anytime I see a clip like this from Roll Dawg, first I shake my head. Especially when them start talking about God. Cause you know my thing I read it, Irish Saxons and God. Talking about that this Sunday. Big video I drop. Big Easter Sunday special video. Matter of fact, multiple videos I drop because that will be the new format on this platform. The daily videos thing just not gonna work out like one time. Now we are gonna drop multiple videos on a Sunday. One of them in particular. Well, you're not gonna want me to say. That's all I have to say. Easter Sunday saying what have to do with religion, have to do with your favorite artist, have to do with Irish Saxons as a whole. We're gonna talk about which God. We're gonna talk about gods. We're gonna show you how even in the Bible show you say there are other gods in the Bible. Come on, G God. I wanna go see 7 times man ball out certain name. Balling out that name won't help them in the long run. You're not going to want to miss it. Easter Friday special. We're gonna talk about black man. Yes, big update in a black man life. We're gonna talk about it. Whole part video I drop, but look out for them. But back to World Dawg, back to the bad mind. We see World Dawg, God this and God that, tears are run down face, gospel song up in the background. See it, the man give him life to God. We don't talk about that, guy. We don't fall for picnic games and picnic tricks. Silly rabbit tricks of a kids. God this and God that, which God? Faith without works is dead. I don't watch the faith, I watch the works. When a man tell about him love God and him believe in God and God this, he talk about him faith. This is my faith. I'm a part of this faith, the Christian faith, the Muslim faith, this faith. Faith without works is dead, guy. When I see me video World Dawg are preaching a ball and talk about God. See him there? Which God that? Which God did that guide him life? Which God didn't give him life to? This is all a mockery. World Dawg, you won't say it. You're a big celebrity. You must say me just on look at YouTube and you're a big celebrity. So you can brush this off. But you hear me I say, guy, when they go up on these rants, may I watch the comments. May I watch the comments them. Because I know people screen record everything and people send me the video, me not just listen to what World Dawg I say. May I watch the people who want to comment on the live. And realize something. And only blogger boys need to realize something. Thomas Tissy would pitney them. These vile Irish Saxons actually enjoy watching themselves destruct. Because me I watch the comments and realize that the people who claim to them are fans, what them I tell them you have to do? What them I tell World Dawg them? I can't people who want to see World Dawg them live long and prosper and stay out of jail. Can't be. These fans, these Irish Saxons fans who sit on TikTok all day and sit on social media all day, type in a live and a boots man. Understand these Negro Saxons are vile. What them really want to see is World Dawg dead and go prison. I boost them really a boost up. Yeah man, my general, my rate him. Alright, watch it now. You know say the boy over there start calling them. Yeah man, if it me running palm to your dog, you're the real man. This whole part TikTok war back and forth. Remember them tell they say it's just entertainment, just some jokes on the seat spill over in a real life. Somebody are go dead. I don't understand. Oh, this is the best time in human history. I cover this already. This is the best time in human history to be a low-skilled dopey bot. Barely functional human being. This is the best time. Because no care how you fool. Start one TikTok account, start one YouTube page, go in front of the camera, chat, be a foolishness, start saying roses, and you can't damn food. There was a time when, let me tell you something guys, there was a time Panwolia when people who were extremely skilled, extremely talented would die in misery and poverty. Nothing for sure for them skill and them talent, nothing at all. And these dopey bots are living on error. One time them IQ can be the same as a room temperature. And them still can make money and provide for themselves. And what them do? It's embarrassing. I years know the matter. Look at you, me so one blogger said this. Blogger said what? I don't worry, bloggers. Guy must say back in the day when we turn up on the scene, we just walk past bloggers. I don't worry bloggers, we just walk past them. Enough time I see dopey but them try to draw me out and understand. Look at you, but me rate you in the dog, me rate you bro. That's why me one blogger boy I said this. So you know, listen, look at YouTuber. Bird brain dopey but with IQ the same as a car tire PSI. I try to use their head pan me. But them I use their head pan World Dawg them. Because me I watch the comments and these people can't wait for somebody. Then can't wait for either World Dog kill somebody or somebody kill World Dog. I must say we say bad man, I must say bad man World Dog. But even as somebody with bad man World Dog fin things them. Me can still see say enough of them so-called fans say sit down on TikTok every day. Now have nothing to do. But boost up TikTokers. Forgot dash with them blessing. Because it's a blessing. TikToker guy, blogger guy, to be as dumb, to have an IQ as low as yours. Remember someone more sound now a real skill for half of the world. I'm just being honest right now. You're gonna say, but you're a blogger boy too. Well, that's how it go. And of course, LIQ guy, we're not talking about all vloggers. Obviously, there are vloggers who add great value and have real impact on people's lives and the content when them cover and all kind of things. They have real value. There are real vloggers out there with real sense, highly intelligent people who know that. But them people are the minority. But what me want to know is why the man them turn everything in a battlefield. Anywhere you put acidic Irish accents, you could come up with the most harmless app in the world. By the time acidic Irish accents reach on that, at the wild west, you can take Miss Rachel, the show where pitting them sit down pan and get hooked pan. You can take Miss Rachel and put some Irish accents pan it, put World Dog in pan it, and that turn in a World War 10. It has to be studied. World Dog, don't make these quote-unquote fans fool the youth. End of the day, you're a cannon fodder. Should you die, you will just be one more dopey bat dead. And man gonna say him nah have no sense. And man gonna say look how him dash in blessing. And man gonna say look how him did have guy. And you know what? They would be right. At some point, people need to say, hold on, this don't need to go no further. The man them up on TikTok every day a snitch on the. This must be the best time in the world to be a policeman. If you're FBI and anything, this is the best time in the world and you have to run down. Back in the day, you have to put wiretap on man and them. So you don't have to wiretap no more, man. You don't have to wiretap nobody. You don't have to send in one undercover spy. Just go up on TikTok and watch the man them snitch on themselves. Let me tell you everything. Let me tell you what them do. What them are gonna do. It has to be studied. But when I see World Dog about and talk about God, my first question, which God? We know he's talking about the God of this world. Who is the God of this world? Make us see who really, because when they claim so they read Bible and read this and read that. Who is the God of this world? Sunday we're going to answer that. World Dog survived a near-death experience. He wasn't fighting no revolutionary war for black freedom, a dopey bat nonsense in my war over. When I watch World Dog, I can see it in them eyes them. World Dog need therapy. Yes. Even though him mouth attack wicked, him mouth attack like say he make out a steal and him mouth talk like say no business about nothing and him mouth talk like this and mouth talk like that. Well, mouth make for talk anything. When you're looking at World Dog eyes, you can see World Dog need therapy. World Dog needs somebody we have sense to sit down and listen to him and say, and then give him some solid advice. That youth is self-destructing before our very eyes. And yeah, me know I'm telling some bad man and something, but fun and joke aside, World Dog is self-destructing before our very eyes. Enough of them on social media are self-destruct. But World Dog is a talent. I think he's a very talented youth. The thing about talent is, that's something you can just born with. It's not like something you put in the effort to get. No people just born talented. World Dog born talented. Sure, you might tell you saying work on him craft, of course, but the bulk of it is born raw natural talent. Because if he did work on it and try perfect it and try think bigger, World Dog wouldn't be on TikTok in man of war. World Dog would deal with World Dog would compete with the big superstar them in a comedian and thing there. But instead he want to squab in a little Irish accent play going. Suck your mother, suck back your mama. Me have more girl than you, I have more money than you, I have more clothes than you. Foolishness. Complete foolishness. World Dog is so hilarious that the man can make you laugh at your mother's funeral. Has to be studied. But what can you do? You talk to them, They say then change, then 2 weeks after that, gone back to their rifle. Can't tell them nothing again. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Blessed.